Creating a character AI bot involves combining creativity with technical expertise to craft a responsive and engaging virtual personality. Now, the process starts by defining what type of character identity it's going to have. Think about the bot's role, whether it's a conversational companion, a customer service assistant, or a guide in a game or educational settings. This helps establish the bot's tone, style, and purpose. You're going to need to decide on a personality trait like humorous, politeness, formality. It's going to influence how it interacts with users. All right? Next, you're going to need to implement natural language processing, which enables the bot to understand and generate human-like responses. Platforms like OpenAI's ChatGPT and other models like NLP frameworks allow you to build conversational models that interpret the user inputs and provide meaningful replies. Training the model involves providing examples of expected conversations and fine-tuning the bot's ability to stay consistent with its defined personality. Additionally, developing a dialogue flow system is important. This allows the bot to manage ongoing conversations, decide when to ask follow-up questions, and keep interactions on track. You might also include machine learning techniques so that the bot can learn and adapt from user interactions, improving over time. And finally, testing and iterating are essential. Regularly assess the bot's responses and adjust its programming and refine its performance to ensure engaging, accurate interactions.